Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I want to update my Google Chrome. As you can see, it's supposed to be here. There is an option of Ask Gemini because I'm using my laptop on my home. My PC, I have the Gemini icon here, but now on my laptop, I couldn't see it. And then on here, on the About Chrome, my Chrome is up to date. So let's try to force update by download the new Chrome. Because when I ask Gemini or ask Google, the Chrome release is 150, not 148. So let's try to download the Chrome. Okay. So now I'm downloading the Chrome on the Google Chrome official website, which is google.com/Chrome. I couldn't see any version of this Google Chrome. By the way, I'm using Indonesian language here, so it will be different with yours. So I'm downloading it and I will try to reinstall my Google Chrome. Now I'm installing the Google Chrome. I hope this will be generate the wow. No, I'm not reinstall the Chrome. So I think I have to uninstall my Chrome and then install again, but I think that would be risky since I wonder my profiles would be gone if I uninstall my Google Chrome. So let me find another way. Okay guys, I just back and forth find a solution and then finally I got this page that it says Gemini in Chrome is rolling out to users over time, so it may not be available in your country or territory yet. Actually, my country already available. I'm living in Indonesia, by the way. And then, of course, my PC, like I told you, my PC has the Ask Gemini button on top here, but I don't know my laptop here. I I just go back and forth about the Google Chrome update and still no update. And I also try to force close the Google Chrome using the task manager. I just end task and then launch again, and it keeps nothing as Gemini on top of this one. So I'm sorry guys, I don't find the solution. So if you have the solution, please put in the